My name is Keith Bond and here is the rescue. Today Francesca Bond is going to rescue a bird who needs food and is in pain.
Hello there, we don't know what kind of bird it is yet, so I'm just taking down notes of what kind of bird it could be. What's that noise? Hang on, it could be the bird. Hang on, it's coming from my bedroom! Hello, I just found the bird. I've got to be very quiet. Gotcha! Now, I've got to take you downstairs to make sure you're okay. Hello, I just found the bird. Can you just check to say it's alright?
Oh dear, yes. Yes, he doesn't feel, tummy feels a bit funny. I think he's got a bit of a tear in his tummy. I'm going to have to stitch him up. It won't take me long. Just do that. Yep. Right, that's done. Okay, he should be right now, but I think he's probably a bit hungry.
Sure. Okay then, thank you doctor. I think I'll take him outside now.
Well, as you can see, we've rescued our little feathered friend, and he's thriving and he's very full up, got a very full tummy. And that's the end of this week's rescue. But next week we will be rescuing this pink bunny from a perilous situation. That's all from Francesca and me. Until next week, bye for now.